AI just rattled the stock market, and India's biggest IT giants felt it first. Infosys, Wipro, TCS, trillions in value shaken almost overnight. Investors gave it a name, the SaaSapocalypse. Days earlier, Anthropic dropped a bombshell. Not a chatbot update, an AI coworker. Claude can now plug directly into company systems, legal work, sales ops, marketing, data analysis automated. No SaaS dashboards, no human workflows. And that's when panic hit. If AI can replace entire software stacks, what happens to the companies built on selling that software? Investors didn't debate, they didn't wait, they ran. This isn't just a market dip, it's a signal. AI isn't competing with software anymore, it's eating it. And the scariest part? This might be only the first wave. Who survives the SaaS apocalypse and who disappears next? This is Decode AI. Follow because the next move could shock everyone.